Your face tells your story. It deserves more than a surface solution. It deserves real support from the inside out. Emface targets the deepest layer, your muscles. The foundation that defines you lifts and supports the skin and shapes expression. Next, natural volume and hydration. No fillers, no toxins. Exion stimulates a 224% increase in your own hyaluronic acid. Hydration up 23%. Texture improved 41%. The glow is real. Now we build resilience, redefining the skin's strength. With over 2 times the collagen and a 41% reduction in acne scars. And finally, your finish. Clear RF removes up to 48% of visible pigmentation, brightening tone and refining clarity. Quick, comfortable, built for real life. Rejuvenation to postmenopause. Every face, every phase. Beauty isn't just skin deep. Beauty is balance. It's structure. It's strength. Your face powered by you. Face forward with Emface and Exion.